We're doing the Zuzu pets down here. See, this is Grandma and Grandpa's house, and look at how much places they can go. That much places. Their house is really big. My monsters would fit in this house. But it's Zuzu pet time. If my camcorder stays up, it shouldn't be falling over. Oh, it wasn't perfectly snapped, but the bunny's running dead. He's kind of getting slow. So then we'll have to charge him. Oh, they already tipped over. Oh, there's one more in here, and it's Tex. Jojo! Winky. If they run dead, we charge them upstairs, then you'll have to wait for 15 minutes. Whoa! Hey, Tex is in the toy room. I'm gonna buy all Zuzu pets with my money. Their habitat and all the other kinds I don't have. All of them that I don't have. I'm buying that much. There he is. He always goes places, that one. This one's stuck. The bunny's over there. Yeehaw! Yeah, they're not working like we're down here. This is the same carpet as at home, so they should work. Already, he tipped over again. Tex always tips over now. The bunny hasn't tipped over yet, surprisingly. Okay, there he is. They should work here. The bunny and the black one. Pipsqueak is stuck. This one. The black one's in the toy room now. What the? Oh! Go, go, go! Whoa! Go! Oh, go, go, go! He fell asleep. Whoa! Some of them need to be in here. He stopped. They all just about need to. Well, I guess we'll have to play with them in this room. That's why I'm working, really. I mean, some of them can come on if they want, but that's the case. They have to be over. Oh, Mr. Squeakle stopped walking. That's why he wasn't going anywhere. Okay, go way over there. Wherever you want. These two are brown. This should be all here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, they're all here. What the? Okay, there's the gray one. Tex. Whoa, they're all coming. Now they're all tipping over again. The gray one. Nums. Go, go, go! Oh, I didn't know why they were working on that for. Because the ones that are getting batteries dead. The batteries are probably running dead in those ones. Tex wanted to go back there. Where'd the curry go? He was stuck. And his motor wasn't running because he was stuck. Pipsqueak went on there. He went on that carpet. But that's okay with me because he's working. He turned around right away. Wow. Now where'd Nums go? I hear you. There he is, behind the scene dancing bears. Again, they tipped over. Pipsqueak is still in there. Oh, he's stuck. Whoa. These both are like this. They're both striped. Okay, I'll put Pipsqueak back over here. Okay, spread out. There's gonna be no problem. Okay, all 9 are here. No? Oh no, I was just talking.
Oh, okay.
Because I'm video recording.